What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. Today we got an experiment. I always wanted to do new trucks get better MPG than older trucks. So we have like 60 miles on the truck. We're about to go on a beach trip, which is around 200 to 300 miles. We're gonna test the MPG on it. Now, before we start, I do want to be fair. At the time of recording this video, we got these eensy weensy 245s. Yesterday I saw my mom. Her CRV has 225s. Then we also have that wind guard. Now most of this is all highway, so that is in the favor of the Tacoma. I don't know, I'm curious. I came from a lifted 285 E-rated tire, so it's gonna be, I feel like quite a bit of a difference already. Just driving it around feels very, very different. But with that being said, I think that's pretty much it. Let's get right into the video. All right, so we're about to leave. Let me reset my B trip. All right, so we have 0 miles. We're gonna see from now to the time we get there what our MPGs are and how many miles we actually went. So I'm just going off of this. I'm not gonna do no fancy calculations. I'll be honest, I don't know how to do them. So we're just gonna go off what the computer says. All right, so we're like not even like 30 minutes in and I got hungry, so we're gonna stop by McDonald's. I don't usually eat McDonald's, but it's a trip, so why not? All right, so let's check where we are as of now. We've driven how many miles? We've driven 25 miles, and as of now our MPGs are 19.7. Jeez Louise. All right, so I was about to eat, but there's a tow truck here towing a Tundra. And I've brainwashed Sandy so bad to tell her like Toyotas never break down. So she asked me if they're towing it because it broke down or they're repoing it. So I think best case scenario is they're repoing it. We got around 2 hours and then 100 miles left. We're currently cruising at around 80 miles per hour, and the traffic isn't too bad anymore. At first it was like kind of stop and go, stop and go, stop and go, but now we're cruising, we're chilling. I'm holding this camera with one hand, so let me get off of this turn and then I'll show you guys what our MPGs are so far. Take a guess. I'm gonna guess 20. What is your guess, babe?
Guess what?
What the miles per gallon are right now?
I'm gonna say like 16.
What the heck? 21. Is that what I guessed?
You guessed 20.
Oh damn. All right, 21 MPGs is not bad. Like I said, I came from a lifted 285 behemoth and I'd get like 16. Like best 16.
I guess 16.
Yeah, I know. But yeah, 21. We're chilling, we're doing good. The weather's looking nice. It's starting to get hot out. And the voodoo blue, man, just looking out and seeing the voodoo blue is absolutely sick. All right, so we're back. We've been driving. We drove a lot more than I expected. I think the last time I showed you guys, I was at like 100 miles or maybe a little bit under 100. And now we're at 161. So we're gonna check the MPG again. Babe, what's your guess?
21 still. Or
21.
Maybe 20.
Okay, I'm gonna go for 22. Because this was a lot more like just regular traffic. We were just going more. Yeah, click it. Oh, 21.9. But yeah, 21.9 miles per gallon right now. We're cruising, we're like 70, 75 miles an hour. Just regular highway driving is what I wanted to see. Again, I drove the same truck with a lot more equipment and you could definitely feel like the truck would suffer. So we're almost there. The next time I'll record, I'll be there. All right, so we made it. We're at the beach now. Focus camera, focus. We got rooftop parking. Now it's time to see 22 MPG. So we averaged around 22 MPG on a 200 mile. So that's pretty good. Again, I'm used to 14. Best case scenario, 16. 200 miles. This is my first road trip in the Tacoma. I'm gonna talk about that in a different video. Today was just mainly for MPGs. We're talking about MPGs on a new truck versus an old truck. If you have something similar to what I'm rocking right now, SR5, I'm talking the skinniest wheels on planet Earth, 245s. Let me know, what do you average on a trip like this? Around 200 miles, straight highway, a little bit of stop and go traffic, but mostly highway. Are you averaging 22 miles a gallon? That's really good. 22 MPGs. I'm used to, again, 14, 16. We're not gonna just call it quits there. We're gonna reset trip A on the way home and see how we do there. it's a little bit different on the way home. It's more just straight going. This was a lot of stop and go, so I think we should be fine. I think we should be nice and dandy. Again, I'm gonna do this review maybe in a year's time. I don't know. I'm assuming if I was to do it in a year's time, it would probably be the most accurate. I don't plan on having these tires or these wheels or this wind visor thing, but more to come on that, obviously. So I'm about to go to the beach, have some fun. I'll see you guys when I come back. If you're interested in seeing what happens from now to when I'm back in the truck, let me know down below. I don't want to put vlogging material on this channel if you guys are just interested in the truck, but if you're interested in what goes on in between time, let me know down below, because I would love to do that. I would actually like to share with you guys more other than just a truck. But with that being said, I'll see you guys when I'm back to driving. So I wanted to record this at 50-mile intervals. That way we could kind of see, it's probably gonna be 50-50 and then like 34-35 miles. So take your guesses. We were at 21, that was the best that we got, 21.9. Now I did already look, so I can't guess, but I'm surprised. Now they say the more miles you get on the Tacoma, the more broken in it is, and the better miles per gallon that you're gonna get. But I'm at like 400 miles, and we're already getting some pretty good MPGs, so I'm happy. We're at 23.7. That's a little bit lower. I think it's because we're going uphill right now, but I was getting 23.9. 23.9. That's almost 24 miles to the gallon. So I'll see you guys in another 50 miles. I got a little bit distracted. I got on the phone with Progressive to try to get a lower rate, but that's gonna be a whole nother video. But we're at 140 miles traveled, so I missed the 100-mile mark, which I'm kind of upset about, but we do have 43 more miles to go. Let me not run off the road. We're at 23.9 miles, and I think that's the very best that I'm gonna get. The little blue bar goes all the way to the top and just doesn't go anymore. I can't get 24, which is a little bit of a bummer. I was really hoping, I don't know if there's like a cheat code or something that I can do, but I don't think there is. 23.9 is the very highest that I've gotten. So already with a little bit more miles, we're getting a lot better gas mileage. So 2 miles extra per gallon, you know, that's the difference between getting to McDonald's and home. So I don't know, I'll take what I can get. It's starting to rain. I don't think that affects miles per gallon, but hey, you never know. Guys, I hit 24. I'm at 24 miles to the gallon in a Toyota Tacoma. Wowzers. Let me know what your guys' highest score is. I feel like I'm playing a video game and I'm trying to get the best miles per gallon, and I'll tell you what, it's kind of fun, also kind of stressful, because at any moment I can go down to like 23.9 and, well, I don't know how I did it. Oh my god, it just went all the way up. Now I know it's a truck and I shouldn't be getting excited, but it's exciting. 24 miles to the gallon. Your boy is out here feeling like he's in a Prius, so we're enjoying it. Not too much traffic, cars are dodging and weaving. All right, so we're almost home. I think we got like 5 miles at most, so I think that is going to be the very best miles per gallon that I get. 24.1. Now let me know, are any of you guys getting that miles per gallon? A lot of people that watch my videos weren't completely stock. They had bigger tires, they were lifted, supercharged, whatever the case may be. But for you stock fellows, or even for you guys, what miles per gallon are we getting? Now again, I know it's not a Prius, and I don't even want 24 miles per gallon, or I'm not going to be driving a certain way just to get 25 or 24 miles to the gallon. It's crazy to see this number on my screen. So yeah, let me know what you guys are getting. I'm going to wrap up this video once I get home, kind of go over everything, and we'll go from there. So we're in my driveway. Let's take one last look. 182 miles. 24 is what it's ending at. Average speed was 65. At some point, it was trying to say we were getting 30 miles to the gallon. Now,
oh my god,
how true is that? I don't know. But we were like 24, 25, that's where we were. And then 30 miles a gallon. I don't know. Do you believe that? I think this is a load of baloney. I'm definitely gonna change out these lights, because I promise you I am not this orange in real life. So it's 11:40. I'm being an old man and I'm getting awfully tired, but pretty much how did I do this? Well, I'll be honest with you. I think it being stock has a lot to do with it. A lot of people change things. As much as changing tires, taking off a wind dam, it may not seem like a big deal, but obviously it is. Two 45/75s. My mom's CRV is just a little bit smaller. It's absolutely embarrassing, but that's what it takes to get this good MPG. They're super skinny compared to my 285s. It's kind of awkward when I see it like skip leg day, but we won't judge. The Tacoma is beautiful as it is. That's what I think you have to do. Be completely stock, change nothing at all, and you should be able to get the good MPG. But of course, that's if you want to get really good MPG. I don't care. I'm gonna change a bunch of stuff on it anyways. It's just cool. I saw a video that people were saying, you know, if it's a young Tacoma, if it's a new Tacoma, you'll get better miles per gallon. So I guess this does prove it, because 16, 18 was my very, very best when I was modded. So let me know what you guys are getting. I hope you guys did enjoy. With that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out of like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.